Hello friends, welcome. Today we are going to learn artificial neural networks in the artificial intelligence. First of all, we have to know what are the neural networks. So, yet another research area in the artificial intelligence. A neural network is inspired from the natural neural network of the human in our system. So, this neural network concept is inspired from the natural neural network of the human nervous system. And what are the artificial neural networks? The inventor of the first neurocomputer, Dr. Robert Hack Nielsen, will define the neural network as the computing system made up of number of the simple and the highly interconnected processing element. So the computing system is composed of the number of highly and the simple interconnected processing elements which will process the informations by their dynamic states, and they will respond to all the external inputs. So you can see basic structure of this ANN is involving these ideas. First one is the idea of the ANN is based on the belief that working of the human brain by making the right connections. So the belief of idea of this artificial neural network is based on that the working of the human brain is just by making the right connection that can be imitated using the silicon and the wires as living neurons and the dendrites. And the human brain is composed of the 86 billion nervous cells called the neurons, and they are connected to other 1000 cells by the axons, and stimuli from the external environment or the inputs from the sensory organs are accepted by the dendrites. These inputs creates the electrical impulses which will quickly travel through the neural network, and then the neuron can send this message to other neurons to handle the issue or does not send it forward. So here is a diagram which is showing that these are the dendrites which are going to accept the input. These are the axons which are going to process that input. This is a nerves impulse. Next, this is the information transfer, and then this information transfer is happening at this stage. So this is the process of working of the processing the information in the human brains. So as it is having the axons, dendrites and the nerves, and which are also known as the neurons. Next is artificial neural network are composed of the multiple nodes which imitate the biological neurons of the human brain. So artificial neural network is composed of the multiple nodes are there which imitate the biological neurons of the human brain, and these neurons are connected by the links and they will interact each other. So the nodes can take the input data and they will perform simple operations on that data, and then the results of these operations is passed to the other neurons, and this output at each node is called the activation or the node value. So whatever the output at the each node, that is known as the activation or the node value, and each link is associated with the weight. Each and every link is associated with the weights, and these are capable of learning which takes place by altering the weight value. So they have the capability that they are going to learn by altering the weight values. So this is the basic structure which follows the human brain structure. So this artificial neural network, we are having the multiple nodes. They are just imitating the biological neurons of the human brain, and these neurons are connected by the links so that they can interact with each other. So the nodes will take the inputs and they will perform the operations on the data, and then the results of the operation is passed to the other neurons, and that output that is passing at the each node, that is the activation or the node value, and each and every link is associated with the weight. So these artificial neural network are capable of learning which takes them altering the weight values. Thank you friends. If you like my video, please like, share, subscribe my channel, and if you have any query you can ask in the comment section. Thank you.